Mingalaba. Welcome back to Go Burmese. Today, you are going to learn 4 expressions that are really important for your daily life in Myanmar. You will learn how to say yes, no, please, and sorry in Burmese. These are simple words, but these 4 words can help you communicate politely, confidently, and effectively. Let's begin. First, let's learn how to say yes in Burmese. The most common polite way is Hote. Hote. Can you say it? Hote. Hote ba. And we say according to the suggestion but the same meaning. Yes, correct, truth. And we will say hote. Hote. And even though we write in Myanglish Hote, but like that sound is very soft. So we have to say hote. Hote. Can you do it? Hote. Normally we use hote, only one syllable, hote. But for the polite way, we will separate into 2 parts, hote, 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 hote. Can you say it? Hote, hote. Can you say these 2 expressions? Good. So when do we use hote, hote? Mostly we use hote like for confirming agreement, for answering the question politely. Hote is especially used when you speak to older people, teacher, customer, and the people you respect. You have to use Hote. Here is the example. There's 3 examples. The first one, Hope ba de. Hope ba de. That means yes, it is. Like that is used for agreement. When you agree something, you just say Hope ba de. Yes, it is. For example, when someone asks you, is it your earpod? You have to say, Hope ba de. And another 2 expressions are Hoke and Hope. So maybe someone asks you, Ne cao la. At the time, you answer yes. So in Burmese, you say Hoke. So someone asks you, Ne cao la, Hope, Ne cao ba de. Now, let's learn how to say no. No. For no, we use maho, maho, mahopu, mahobabu, maho. The meaning is no, not, is false. And pronunciation, maho, maho, maho. We use ma sound in front of ho, turn into negative. The sound ma is so powerful. If you want to change to negative, you have to use ma. Sade, masabu, hote, mahopu. You have to use ma. We use mahopu to say no, to correct information, to disagree politely. We can use mahopu, mahobabu. Here is the example, mahobabu, mahopu. These 2 examples have the same meaning, but we use the polite particle, pa. If you want to talk to older people or teacher, you can use pa, mahobabu. But if you want to talk to the friend or maybe younger people, you can say mahopu. Can you say it? Mahobabu, mahopu. Good. Next, we will learn how to say please in Burmese. Jesu Piu Yui. Jesu Piu Bi. These 2 expressions have the same meaning. You can use to anywhere, to anyone. Jesu Piu Yui. Jesu Piu Bi. Can you repeat after me? ကျေးဇူးပြု၍ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီးကျေးဇူးပြု၍ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီး We use ကျေးဇူးပြု၍ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီး for making a formal request. The structure is ကျေးဇူးပြု၍ action. You can say, for example, if you want someone to sit down at the time, ကျေးဇူးပြု၍ sit down. And sit down, we say ထိုင်ပါ Here, the example, ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီးထိုင်ပါ So we say ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီးထိုင်ပါ That's mean please sit down. And another example, ကျေးဇူးပြု၍ထပါ So ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီးထပါကျေးဇူးပြု၍ထပါ So the meaning is please stand up. So we will say it. ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီးထိုင်ပါကျေးဇူးပြု၍ထပါ Can you use it? Now let's begin how to apologize. Okay. In English we say I'm sorry. It's my apology. So how should we say in Burmese? In Burmese we have to say Taung ba de. Taung ba de. There's a 4 syllable. Taung ba de. Can you say it? Taung ba de. Okay. Can you repeat after me? Taung ba de. Oh, you got it. Now you can speak how to say sorry in Burmese. Taung ba de. We use taung ba de for apologizing. Maybe when we make a mistake, when we are late, and when we hurt someone's feeling, and when we want to apologize politely, we can use taung ba de. So let's see the example. နောက်ကျသွားလို့တောင်းပန်ပါတယ် So that's mean sorry I'm late. Sorry mean တောင်းပန်ပါတယ် I'm late we are saying နောက်ကျသွားလို့ So we can say နောက်ကျသွားလို့တောင်းပန်ပါတယ် Can you say it? နောက်ကျသွားလို့တောင်းပန်ပါတယ် Good. Culture tip for today. In Myanmar culture, when giving or receiving something, using 2 hands show respect and politeness. For example, receiving a gift, receiving money, or giving something to an older person. Words are important, but your body language can also show respect and politeness. A smile, a gentle voice, respectful body language make your Burmese sound more natural. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I will speak in English and you have to say in Burmese. Don't worry, I already show you Myanglish. You can focus on your speaking. Let's get started. Sorry for being late. Yes, you have to say, နောက်ကျသွားလို့တောင်းပန်ပါတယ် It's okay. ဟုတ်ကဲ့ရပါတယ် Please sit down. ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီးထိုင်ပါ Great job. You have already learned 4 essential Burmese words that you can use in your everyday life in Myanmar. Practice them every day. See you in the next video. Ta-da!